morning, everyone. As always, drop those tickers and questions in chat on your screen. Listen, I know I talk about this so many times, but listen, I can never, ever, at any point, overemphasize the value of breaking news chat. LHDX 4:09 p.m. last night. They dropped the news, walk you all the way through it, gave you the link. Thing went up. I mean, at the time they dropped the news, stock was up. It was up a little bit. I mean, it had been trending all through the day Friday. Now with these breaking news plays, you got to be fast. But I mean, Laser was another one. Look at Laser the other day. I think it was. My days are all screwed up because of last week because of the day off. When was the day? Who remember? Was it Tuesday or Wednesday? I'm all jacked up because of President's Day. But Tuesday or Wednesday, breaking news actually nailed the news on Mercedes-Benz and Laser. You had about 5 minutes to take that one. Had a few minutes to take LHDX Friday night. Bunch of people in breaking news chat and the Steady Trade team absolutely nailed it. There's especially like, and I'll move on. Hit me with tickers. I'll move on. It's just when you look at, see the biggest issue we face right now, and it's going to get worse, by the way. Let me make a point here. And this is actually a very important point. When you look at, like, if you like watch my videos from probably about 2016 and back, I would tell people every day, you need a Twitter account. You have to have Twitter. Get Twitter. Get Twitter. I'm not saying you got to tweet. You got to get it. You got to be on there to know this stuff. 2016, everything went in the shitter. Well, don't tell me. Everything went in the tank, when it comes to Twitter. Reddit. I mean, look at Wall Street Bets. I mean, basically all of your social media, it's an absolute dumpster fire. And here's the thing. I'm always an optimistic kind of guy, but AI is going to make it worse. Like if you think that the access to trading information right now is bad, wait till AI. I mean, it's going to be a billion times worse. So get breaking news chat. I mean, it's just going to get worse. And if you're following Twitter, if you're listening to people, oh my God, please delete your Twitter account. Okay. Again, for about 10 years, I said you have to have Twitter. Since 2016, delete it. Never go there again. All right. That being said, LHDX, just beautiful. I mean, you got the Oracle major resistance level at 57. You could trade that level. I think that would be the aggressive play. The more conservative play would wait for your Oracle signals, trade against them. And then even more conservative, listen, we have 3 to 4 ways to trade these stocks, okay? It's already 2x float rotation in pre-market, 17 million float. Listen, if you do think it's over, you got a long day ahead of you. So buy in pre, sell in pre, Oracle levels, 945 dip and rips and afternoon VWAP holds. And then guess what? Tomorrow it becomes, if it closes at or around the high, it becomes a week open red to green. And then if it survives on day 2, it becomes a day 3 surge. One of the most powerful things I will tell you guys is you need to get over this FOMO stuff, okay? Listen, if you're not comfortable trading LHDX in pre, don't. If you're not comfortable trading it right at the market open, don't. If you think it's going to be a failed dip and rip, don't trade it. As you progress through all of these setups, they get higher and higher and higher probability. Especially when you get into that afternoon VWAP hold, that's always the highest probability day 1 setup. And then you got tomorrow, week open red to green. And then you got day 3 surge. Day 3 surge is the hottest pattern out there right now. And what I love about the day 3 surge is it's so newbie friendly. Because if you can fight the FOMO and just wait for confirmation, it's beautiful. All right, so all patterns apply to LHDX. And then somebody asking about Timber. Hey, man, that was from the weekend watch list. Timber was on the weekend watch list. You know the plan on Timber because you get the weekend watch list. I think low probability, risky, more aggressive play would be week open red to green. The better play is day 3 surge or the break of day 1 highs. Straight from the weekend watch list. Nothing changed from weekend watch list. Day 2 continuation play for sure. UNG, I mean, listen, hey, if you want to get, I mean, the thing with these, you know, ETFs, do what you want. It's just, I don't know, slow moving, you know. I mean, listen, Lucas, to me, these things, I mean, listen, I always assume that you guys are new traders, and if you're new, you probably have a small account. Listen, if you want to trade the natural gas futures, fire away. It's just you kind of got to have a big account to do it. I mean, the thing's up 4%. Maybe it goes up 8% today. Hey, 8%, not bad. It's not bad. But most of the people here, I assume, have small accounts. So that's why we always kind of lean towards, you know, stuff like LHDX or Timber, etc. DNMR. Not low float, low volume. PennyStocks.com pump. These PennyStock.com stuff, they've been actually moving stocks. I would say break of previous day's highs. That's an ebook pattern. DNMR, higher float, but PennyStocks.com pump. Basically, day 3 surgy. LLAP. How's LLAP doing? Hopefully she's holding up. Ugh. Annoying. Whoops. It's gotta. I would set your alerts in the high 3s. It just LLAP flat out disappointing. I had much higher hopes for this thing. Man, the space stuff. So frustrated by the space stocks, man. I keep waiting for them to do something, and they absolutely refuse. So set your alerts in that. Or actually, I have an alert there. Yeah, I got an alert at 325. I'd say do the same. PLX earnings. Breakout. Not a bad looking chart. It's actually a nice chart. What do these guys do? I just hate biotechs as swing trades, man. What? Plant-based? What is this? What is this malarkey? I smell malarkey! Plant-based proteins? What is this crap? Ugh. Listen, it's a decent looking chart, but I just hate swinging biotechs, especially plant-based bio. I don't know. I hate it. Call me a dumb old man. I don't like it. OCEA and AMAM, low float day 3 surge. Yes, trade like a pro. MLEC. Mulek Science. What's up with all these weird biotechs today? Is that float right? So it looks like the float is lower than it appears. So if the float is indeed low, definitely a dip and rip. Clubhouse says breaking news alerts only in pre-market. No, they're all day long. Yeah. So Clubhouse, listen, breaking news is crushing it literally all day long. TRKA, they're all day long, you know. So, true penny stock. Wait for the Oracle levels. Always the same answer on true penny stocks. 26 million float, 20 million shares traded. I tell you, and I know I say another pennystocks.com pump. I know I'm a broken record. You cannot, there is no better way to trade true penny stocks than to simply wait for the Oracle levels. Speaking of that, looks like today is the day for true penny stocks. LHDX, definitely top of the list so far. TRKA up there. OBSV up there. Ruby's back. Ruby, same. So we got true penny stocks all over the place. Right now, I like LHDX simply because it's a day 2 continuation play. It's also the highest volume stock. TRKA, not bad. 20 million shares traded in pre. Somebody says CFRX. Is that right? 500,000 float. Let's double check. Looks like it. Woo! We got a micro floater. Thank you, Tinkerbell. Must be a reverse split too, I take it. Nice. Ooh. Yeah, I'm sure it's, that makes sense. If it's 500,000 float, I'm sure they did a reverse split last week. 100 for 1. Yeah. On February 4th. Or no, February 15th. 1 for 80. So, yep. 1 for 80 on February 4th. You can see it on the chart. Or February 15th. And yes. RS. And, ooh, man. Break of day one's highs, baby. Ooh, 5. Yeah, love CFRX over 5. Love this. Thank you, Tinkerbell. So I'm going to go with LHDX and CFRX, number 1 and number 2. By note, TRKA, not bad. All of the weekend watch list plays are week open red to greens, as well as day 3 surges. We got a bunch of day 3 surge setups out there, bunch of stocks out there. For right now, I'm going to go with LHDX simply because it's the day 2 continuation play. Great float rotation in pre-market. Breaking news, nailed it Friday night. And then CFRX, a reverse split survivor, 500,000 float. So a lot out there. Focus, 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 my friends. Have a great day, and we will, well, if you're in, I hope to see you tomorrow. Remember, I am still live every single day at 8:30 Eastern. I only go live on Mondays on YouTube. Alex will drink the link. Don't drink the link. Alex, drop the link. Don't drink it. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow morning.